Mainit na pinag-uusapan ngayon sa social media ang hindi pagkuha ng Milo Philippines kay Carlos Yulo bilang ambassador at pinili nga nito si EJ Obuena. Well, may karapatan nga ba si EJ Obuena na maging ambassador since hindi daw ito nakakuha ng gold katulad nitong si Carlos Yulo na double gold. Anyway, narito po at basahin natin kung ano nga po ba ang latest dito kay EJ. Mula sa Wikipedia, Ernest John Uy Obuena, born November 17, 1995, is a Filipino pole vaulter. He is currently ranked world number 3 in men's pole vault by the 2024 World Athletics Ranking. So sa buong mundo po, third, number 3 po siya sa pinakamagaling or pinakamalinis sa paglaro ng vault. At hindi po madaling laro ang vault. Talaga naman pong napakahirap nito at napakadelikado. Pwedeng umigkas ang nasabi nga pong hawak-hawak nito na napakahabang vault. Hindi ko alam kung ano po tawag doon pero sobrang delikado. Sa pagpapatuloy ng Wikipedia, Obuena currently holds the Asian record with his clearance of 6 meters at the 2023 World Athletics Championship where he won the silver medal. He also holds the Philippine national record with a clearance of 5.93 meters at the Golden Rooftop Challenge in Brac, Austria on September 11, 2021. Obuena is the current champion and record holder of 5.9 m of the Asian Games. He also the two-time defending champion and current record holder of 5.91 m or meter in the Asian Athletics Championships and three-time defending champion and current record holder of 5.65 meter in the SEA Games. He also won the gold medal in the 2019 Summer Universiade held in Naples, Italy, and has competed in the 2020 and 2024 Summer Olympics. Obuena is the first Filipino to receive a scholarship from the International Athletic Association Federation. So, ayun naman pala, karapat-dapat pala talaga na maging ambassador ng Milo itong si EJ. Hindi naman maikakaila na sobrang nagbigay ng malaking karangalan din sa bansa itong si Carlos Yulo, lalong-lalo na nga at siyang first Pilipino na nakakuha ng 2 ginto sa Olympics 2024 na ginanap sa Paris. Tignan naman natin ang kanyang Wikipedia biography. Carlos Yulo or Carlos Adriel Pocus Yulo, born February 16, 2000, is a Filipino artistic gymnast. He is the 2024 Olympic gold medalist at the floor exercise and vault events. He is the first Filipino and the first male Southeast Asian gymnast to medal at the World Artistic Gymnastic Championships with his floor exercise bronze medal finish 2018, as well as the first Filipino Southeast Asian to achieve a gold medal finish for the same criteria in 2019 at the same event. With multiple medals on the international stage, Yulo is the second person to win an Olympic gold medal for the Philippines, the first person to win multiple Olympic gold medals for the country, and the first Southeast Asian athlete to win multiple gold medals at the Olympic Games. Yulo is two-time Olympic champion, a 6-time World Championship medalist, winning 2 golds, 2 silvers, and 2 bronze, a 10-time Asian champion, and a 9-time SEA Games champion. He is noted for his short stature compared to other male gymnasts, his precision in form, and the difficulty of his routines, especially in the floor exercise vault and parallel bars. Isa sa nadikit ngayon kay Carlos Yulo ay ang issue nito sa pamilya at ang issue sa kanya ngayong kinakasamang si Chloe San Jose na di umano ay tila nagiging dahilan kung bakit nalayo ang puso at isip at damdamin ni Carlos Yulo sa kanyang nanay. Nagkaroon ng issue matapos magsalita ang ina at nang sagutin naman ito ni Carlos Yulo. At lumabas ang mga usapan na di umano ay sinabihan na magnanakaw at gagapang naman daw sa lupa ang kanyang anak. Hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa nagkakaayos ang mag-iina. But anyway, yun nga daw ang dahilan ayon sa mga netizen kung bakit napili itong si EJ Obuena dahil ito ay walang issue, especially pagdating sa kanyang pamilya, malinis ang pangalan. Sa katunayan, may ibinahagi nga si EJ Obuena na di umano ay tila kumakalat ngayon na nag-i-endorse siya ng liquor or alcoholic drink. Narito ang paglinaw ni EJ. I am dragging myself to share stuff like this, but it's necessary to inform all of you that I don't endorse gambling. I would like to reassure everyone that I pick and choose very carefully which products brand I endorse promote. It's never just about the money, but it has to be a product I can believe in and also a product that doesn't undermine values and supports a healthy and thriving society. The latter is why I have refused to endorse alcoholic products and or gambling businesses. Whilst both may be legal, it is irrefutable both are regulated for a reason, and both are restricted from children. I recognize I have a platform that could influence kids and understand and embrace this responsibility with honor and humility. I won't hence endorse product like this. Unfortunately, some companies will attempt to loosely link myself, my name, and my image to such categories without my approval, implying I endorse their product or their casino. I do not wish my lawyers are pursuing this kind of guerrilla marketing legally. I wanted to, in parallel, tell everyone directly I am no way endorsing any alcohol or gambling-related products ever, never, ever. Samantala, nakakatuwa naman ang naging pag-compare or bigyan nga lang daw ng meaning ang nasabing photo na ito ni Carlos at ni EJ sa Milo. Aniya, pagmasdan nyo po maigi ang larawan nilang dalawa. Bigyan po natin ng kahulugan. Yung kay EJ, maingat na nakalapag sa lamesa ang baso niya ng Milo at meron pa siyang mga nakapak na side. Sa side, ito ay sumasailalim sa pagiging mapagmahal na anak sa kanyang pamilya dahil pagkatapos niyang uminom ay mayroon siyang iuuwi para naman sa kanyang pamilya. Yung kay Kaloy, yung paraan niya ng pag-inom ay piniling buhati ng baso at para bang Patagonia itong iniinom sa pamilya niya nang mga ngiti ay sumasailalim sa sariling kasiyahan lamang sa paraang nangyayari ngayon. Na nung nagkaroon siya ng maraming pera ay sinarili niya lamang at itinakwil pa ang pamilya at piniling magsayang mag-isa. Kaya tama lamang na si EJ ang kunin sapagkat siya ay larawan ng pagiging isang mabuting anak, magaling naman lalaro at mapagmahal sa pamilya. At yan nga ang ating Showbiz Snob update. Ano masasabi nyo sa ating update na ito? Ilagay lamang sa inyong comment section dahil ang inyong pong opinion ay mahalaga sa amin. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.